Welcome to the AMP Motorization video series. This installment will demonstrate the setup of a sheer shade with the remote. Press and hold the P1 button on the shade motor until the motor jogs once. Make sure to have the designated channel for the shade selected on the remote. Within 10 seconds, press and hold the stop button on the remote. The shade will jog twice to confirm connection. Setting the upper limit. Press and hold the up and stop buttons together until the shade jogs. Using the up and down buttons, adjust the shade to the desired upper position. Press and hold the up and stop buttons together and the shade will jog twice and beep 3 times to confirm the new upper limit. Setting the lower limit. Lower the shade completely. The bottom limit will have the louvers of the shade wide open horizontally. Press and hold the down and stop buttons together until the shade jogs. Using the up or down buttons, adjust the shade and louvers to the horizontal open position. Press and hold the down and stop buttons together until the shade jogs twice and beeps 3 times to confirm the new lower limit. Switching from roller mode to shear mode. To switch between roller and shear mode on the remote, press and hold the up and down buttons together until the shade jogs twice. Then press the stop button. When in shear mode, the shade will move in small increments when the up or down buttons are pressed. To move the shade in larger increments, press and hold the up or down button. Setting a favorite or third position. Set a favorite or third position with the louvers closed. Using the remote in shear mode, adjust the shade up until the vanes are completely closed. On the back of the remote, press the P2 button until the shade jogs once and beeps once. On the front of the remote, press the stop button until the shade jogs once and beeps once. Press the stop button a second time and the shade will jog twice and beep 3 times, confirming the third or favorite position. To bring the shade to the favorite position, press and hold the stop button for 2 to 5 seconds and the shade will go to the set location.